There comes a point when you realize that the body you walk around in is a living machine made of flesh and blood. It's a living, breathing, biological suit that clothes your soul, a sacred interface between the infinite and the physical world. Over time, the suit becomes coded, not only with the natural programs of growth and instinct, but with foreign ones too. Viruses of pain, fear, shame and abuse, interjected through experiences that overwhelmed the system in a moment of weakness. These viral codes enter through trauma, through moments you had to shrink, hide, or freeze to survive. They embed deep in the nervous system, rewriting the body's natural rhythm into one of vigilance and contraction. When we are children, our emotional systems are open, raw, and unguarded. We feel everything completely, but we are not yet mature enough to metabolize the full power of emotion. When something terrifying or shaming happens, the body says, "This is too much." So it freezes the experience in place, locking it inside muscle, fascia and nerve. A paused loop of energy, waiting for the right moment to complete. That frozen charge doesn't disappear. It lives on, humming beneath the surface, distorting perception, fueling anxiety, and creating patterns of protection that repeat for years. You are not broken. You are simply carrying old emotional data that never got to finish its original sequence. To heal, we don't attack the virus. We bring it into the light, because the moment the emotion is fully allowed to play out, without resistance, without judgment, it dissolves. It can no longer run in the background. The nervous system discharges the stored signal, and the body remembers what safety feels like. Healing is not about thinking our way to peace. It's about letting the body complete what it once had to interrupt. Begin by creating safety. Your system must know it is no longer in danger. Find a space that feels gentle. Soften the breath. Let the exhale grow longer than the inhale. Whisper to your body, "It's safe now. You can let go." That simple permission begins to unfreeze the code. Next, notice what's present. Sensation, emotion, tightness, whatever arises. Observe it as energy, not story. Don't analyze. Don't name it. Just feel. When the emotion begins to surface, whether grief, rage, fear, or trembling, don't stop it. This is the nervous system completing its loop. Let it move, shake, cry, breathe. You are witnessing the biological clothing releasing what was never yours to hold. At a certain moment, the wave will crest and begin to fall. The breath will deepen. Warmth or calm may return. This is the signal. The circuit is clear. The nervous system has reset itself. You've deleted another line of corrupted code. Now, in that space of quiet after the storm, you can reprogram the system gently, intentionally. Plant new messages in the soft soil of your being. Tell your body it's safe to feel. It's safe to be alive. It's safe to shine. Visualize golden light moving through the spine, repairing every pathway, connecting the soul's current back into every cell. Over time, this practice reclaims more of your original energy. Each emotion you free returns a fragment of your life force. The body becomes lighter, clearer, more transparent to your own consciousness. This is how you heal the nervous system, not through force, but through completion. Not through escaping the body, but through inhabiting it again. The biological suit becomes luminous, responsive, alive. The soul, once distant, fully returns home. You begin to live not as a bundle of defenses, but as a coherent field of awareness in motion. This is the alchemy of emotional integration. This is how the viruses are removed, by allowing truth to flow through every nerve until only pure signal remains. So, when you next feel the old tension rise, don't run from it. Pause. Breathe. Listen to what the body has been holding for you. Every tremor, every tear, every shiver is a data packet from the past asking to be released. You are not reliving the pain. You are liberating energy. And each time you do, the suit becomes clearer. The nervous system heals, and the soul within you radiates through it, freely, completely. You are not your trauma. You are the consciousness that can feel it, release it, and rewrite the code of life through presence. The healing of the nervous system is simply the body remembering how to be an instrument for your true signal again. So breathe deeply, let the current move, and welcome yourself home.